This might be an epic fail. What is going on? We are now reviewing the K3-899 drone that I got off Temu. We're gonna unbox it and see if it works and see if it is legit or shit. Stay tuned. So I have already taken it out of the box. It does come, because I needed to charge it. It does come in a nice case. This is a nice foam case. I'm impressed with the case. We have extra blades and blade guards. We have a full quick start and regular start, whatever. And we have the controller. It takes 3 AA batteries for this. This is battery charged. They claim that they come in 3 colors. That it has large capacity battery, dual cameras, photos and videos. It doesn't talk about what the actual everything, whatever, the 1080p or anything, but we'll find out. The drone itself is very light and plastic, all plastic. It looks cool, but it doesn't feel like it's going to be very durable. Let's open it like this. Like this. This is it right there. All right, it's got a little antenna. Again, I don't know much about it, but I did charge the battery already. It's got the on and off. And then we have the actual controller, and you can put your phone down here. It says it can connect to your phone. I don't know. We're about to find out. So I've got this on. I downloaded the app right here. I think these are connected. You can see it's on. Let's see. All right. I actually do have video. We are connected. The problem I'm having though is this thing does not want to stay connected. I got the drone, the batteries, I don't know, this just whatever. I'm gonna put it up here to launch. I've got it recording right now on my phone. I don't think it's actually recording much. I don't know what's going on. So far we're not getting anything responsive. I am connected, it says I'm connected, but we're gonna turn off everything and turn it back on and see what we can get. Filming the camera, I'm recording what the camera looks like. I can't get it to take off. I put fresh batteries in, 3 new fresh batteries. It won't stay connected. It keeps saying that there's no battery on that. So we're going with the flight portion is crap right now, but we're gonna look and see what, and it freezes. That's another thing. It freezes on the app. I don't know. I'm gonna show you the video right now of what the video looks like, but as you can see, this is crap. All right, well, as you can see, this is gonna be another Temu TikTok bust. Crappy, it was under $20. What do I expect? But video quality is pretty crappy. The app support's crappy. Everything's crappy. It won't stay connected. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. This is what it's all about. So, you know, I say about 80% of the stuff I buy on TikTok and Temu is legit. The rest is shit. So we know that this, and if you haven't seen the other video of the GoPro style HD cam, check it out. It's kind of crappy. But yeah. Anyway, hope you liked it. I'm going to be doing some more TikTok Temu shop reviews. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment below if you've gotten any of these and you've had better luck. If not, we'll catch you on the next one. Later.